What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another banger, man. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to get your hands on the Jordan 4 University Blues, dropping this Wednesday, April 28th. Now, as you guys know, it's been a lot of Jordan 4 hype going around, you know what I'm saying? Especially this colorway, the University Blue colorway. Definitely a lot of hype behind this colorway, so that does mean it's gonna be a lot of money to be made. Now, if you guys do wanna make some money next Wednesday, make sure you guys stay tuned for the entire video where I break down how to get your hands on these shoes. Now, if you are new to the channel and you're not subscribed yet, you know what I'm saying? Go down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button for more videos like this in the future. This summer's gonna be crazy, bro. New intro coming out real soon. New edit software coming too, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, bro. This channel's about to go up, I'm telling you. Alright guys, so the Jordan 4 University Blues that will be coming out next Wednesday, April 28th, is gonna be coming out in 4 different size brackets: the men's size, GS size, little kid size, and the toddler size. Now, men's pairs are gonna be retailing for $200, GS size is gonna be retailing for $150, little kids $85, and toddlers $65. Now, I've been hearing a lot of rumors about these shoes. I'm not even gonna cap to y'all, you know what I'm saying? I heard stock rumors. I don't really have a specific number at the moment, but I do have rumors that a lot of the GS sizes aren't going to be coming in. I've heard it's supposed to be like a shipment delay for the GS sizes. So just for a heads up, guys, I wouldn't try for as much GS sizes as I would men's, because there's supposed to be a lot more men's sizes available on websites when these shoes do end up dropping. Now, since GS sizes are going to be a lot more limited than the men's sizes, it's probably going to be a little bit more profit to be made once these shoes do end up going back up in the future. Now, for the men's sizes in the Jordan 4 University Blues, there is going to be more stock in like the common sizes, the 8s through 10s. That's where more of the stock is going to be allocated between all the size ranges. But regardless of what I just said, try for any size you can, bro. Any size you touch is gonna get you paid, bro. Trust me. Alright guys, so to start off at 10 a.m, of course you guys want to start at Hibbets. Hibbets is gonna want to be your #1 focus as soon as it hits 10 a.m. EST. Make sure you guys get in and get out as quick as possible. I've heard of a lot of good success from the desktop version of Hibbet and the phone version of Hibbet, so I guess it just depends on your preference. But if you guys do have Apple Pay on your phone, make sure you guys do try on the phone. So if you do have Apple Pay, you can go in and check out much quicker. Alright guys, now the next site you're gonna want to look to is sneakers. Now, sneakers is loaded up as a Leo drop as of now, and we are about 6 days out from the release, so it could stay the same. It could go to a drop. It's in a lot of draws lately. Hopefully it is a Leo drop. Now, a Leo drop is a 3 to 4 minute draw, so basically you just go in and enter as much accounts in as possible between that 3 to 4 minute window and just hope that you can cop, you know what I'm saying? Now, sneakers is going to give you a good chance because this is where most of the stock is allocated in comparison to all the other websites like the Foot sites and the Shopify sites. Now, after sneakers, I would shift my focus over to JD Sports and Finish Line, getting those cues as quick as possible. These are the best for manual users in my opinion. If you are going manual, bro, try and getting these cues as quickly as you can, bro. This is your best chance. This is one of your best chances when going manual, you know what I'm saying? First is like sneakers, then it go like JD Sports, Finish Line, you feel me? It's been a lot of good success on these sites, bro, for manual users, and I had success on these websites as well, so I can vouch for it. Make sure you guys try to go Hibbet, sneakers, and then JD Sports and Finish Line if you are going manual, and hopefully this does increase your chances. Now, after JD Sports and Finish Line, try on Jimmy Jazz and DTLR, and then after Jimmy Jazz and DTLR, go enter in all the other foot sites, you know what I'm saying? It's probably gonna be an automatic L because of Datadome, but try as best as you can to prioritize those websites that I did name in the front, the head of the foot sites, you know what I'm saying? Because the foot sites you're really gonna want to put last if you are going manual, because a lot of bots just take stock on foot sites. Manual is literally impossible on foot sites now, man. I hate to break it to you, you know what I'm saying? You have a better chance on Shopify sites than you do foot sites now. That just puts it in perspective. Now, for my EU boys, you know what I'm saying? Your best chance is gonna be sneakers at 9 a.m. CEST. Try on sneakers. That is gonna be where most of the stock is in the EU as well, just like the US. And then after sneakers, you're going to look at Snipes and then Soulbox and then all the rest of the foot sites, you know what I'm saying, just like Foot Locker over there in the EU. Alright guys, so now reselling these shoes. Now resale, in my opinion, there is a lot of hype behind these shoes, and stock isn't crazy as to what I've heard recently, so the demand is up there, especially for this colorway, and the stock isn't too crazy, so I could see these doing a little bit of numbers, you know what I'm saying? Not nothing crazy like that. Now, you should easily be able to make at least $100 when selling locally on these shoes, you know what I'm saying? I don't see nobody making under $100 profit off of these shoes when selling, because they are $200. They should at least go for $300 on the market. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, GS sizes are going to be more limited than the men's sizes. Now, I do see these being possibly even more profitable than the men's sizes. Now, we've seen this in the past with Jordan 1s. This could come to fruition with the Jordan 4s as well. But if you do want a higher chance of copping, I would prioritize my focus towards the men's sizing, and you know what I'm saying, maybe just a few grade school sizes if you do just want to take a chance. Now, both men's and GS pairs will be be very, very profitable. So either route you take, you know what I'm saying, you're still gonna be making some good money off of these shoes because this is a hype colorway, and like I said, stock isn't too high on these shoes as well. Now men's sizes, I can see them sitting anywhere from 380 to 420 plus, you know what I'm saying, in that little range. In GS sizes, I see them sitting between the range of 300 and 320. Now, if you guys do go on StockX to look at the recent prices are pretty inflated right now. That is because we are about a week away from the drop, and then once everybody's pairs started coming and people start circulating pairs throughout the market, prices are going to begin to drop, and then they're going to start going back up slowly, more gradually. You feel me? So if you guys are looking to buy these shoes and you don't hit them, you know what I'm saying, just wait until everybody's pairs come in about a week after the drop, 5 days after the drop. So that would be the buy point in my opinion if you are trying to cop for personals. But yeah guys, the Jordan 4 University Blues is a nice shoe, bro, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? If you look up close on the shoe and see that blue suede is crazy. I hope it's as soft as the pictures make it look, you know what I'm saying? I really want to get some of them University 4s in hand, you feel me? But yeah guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and hopefully you guys do get your hands on the Jordan 4 University Blues. If you guys do touch these shoes, make sure you guys go down below in the comment section after these shoes drop and let me know, you feel what I'm saying? It's been your boy. I'm out.